Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and stable. Once done, check device date and time and ensure Google Account Sync is enabled because mismatched time causes auth failures. Next, go into Settings, force stop the Play Store, then clear cache. If the problem persists, clear app data to reset app state. These steps remove local corruption and reinitialize the connection handshake with Google services so you can move to deeper fixes. You now run advanced diagnostics. Reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks Play Store access. Safe mode disables those apps so you can isolate the cause. If Play Store works in safe mode, uninstall or update recent apps, especially VPNs, firewalls, or battery savers that throttle background data. Also reset network settings or toggle airplane mode briefly to force a new DHCP lease and DNS assignment, which often resolves subtle routing or DNS lookup failures. You finish with final fixes. Remove your Google account from the device and re-add it to refresh authentication tokens, then open Play Store and sign in. Make sure Android system updates are installed because platform fixes often resolve connectivity bugs. Apply updates and restart. If none of this works, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If problems continue, the key troubleshooting tip is to test another network and a different Google account to isolate account versus device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.